everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create container inventory under the master module in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the master module. Here, we have to select the container inventory menu under the master module. On this container inventory list page, we have to click the create button. Now, we have to fill the required details. Then we have to click the save button. Here we can view the created container inventory. This is how to create container inventory under the master module in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.